If you've been using Timeshift on Linux Mint 22.3, you probably like the idea of snapshots and easy recovery when something goes wrong. But Timeshift isn't the only option anymore. In fact, there are several excellent backup tools available today, and each one is designed for a slightly different purpose. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 of the best alternatives to Timeshift on Linux Mint 22.3: Pika Backup, Vorta, Back in Time, and Déjà Dup. Let's start with Back in Time. Back in Time is probably the closest thing you'll find to Timeshift. It creates snapshot-style backups using rsync and stores multiple versions of your files without wasting a lot of disk space. When a file hasn't changed, it simply references the previous version instead of creating another copy. The interface is straightforward and easy to understand. You choose what folders you want to protect, select a backup location, and create a schedule. After that, Back in Time automatically creates snapshots that you can browse and restore whenever needed. For Linux Mint users who want a familiar Timeshift-like experience, Back in Time is usually the easiest transition. It feels traditional, reliable, and very lightweight. Now let's look at Déjà Dup. Déjà Dup takes a completely different approach. Instead of focusing on snapshots, it focuses on making backups effortless. The first thing you'll notice is how simple everything feels. There are very few settings to worry about. You choose what you want to back up, select where you want the backup stored, and the application handles the rest. One of the biggest advantages of Déjà Dup is automatic encrypted backups. Your data can be protected with a password and stored on external drives, network locations, or even cloud storage services. This makes it ideal for users who simply want their files protected without learning backup terminology or spending time configuring advanced options. If you want something that works quietly in the background and requires almost no maintenance, Déjà Dup is one of the best choices available. Now let's move on to Pika Backup. Pika Backup has become increasingly popular because it combines simplicity with modern technology. Behind the scenes, it uses BorgBackup, one of the most respected backup engines in the Linux world. That means you get compression, deduplication, and encryption without having to learn complicated commands. The interface is modern, clean, and beginner-friendly. You select the folders you want to protect, choose a destination, and start backing up. What makes Pika Backup special is that it gives you enterprise-grade backup technology while keeping everything approachable for everyday desktop users. For Linux Mint users who want a modern backup application that feels polished and easy to use, Pika Backup is an excellent option. Finally, let's talk about Vorta. Vorta is another application built around BorgBackup, but unlike Pika Backup, it gives you much more control. When you open Vorta, you'll find options for scheduling, retention policies, backup monitoring, archive management, and advanced configuration settings. This is the tool for people who want professional-grade backups. You can decide exactly how many backup versions to keep, how often backup should run, and how storage space should be managed over time. The learning curve is slightly higher than Pika Backup, but the flexibility is incredible. If you're backing up important work files, business data, development projects, or large amounts of information, Vorta gives you the control that advanced users often need. So, which one should you choose? If you want the closest replacement for Timeshift, choose Back in Time. If you want the simplest solution possible, choose Déjà Dup. If you want a modern and beginner-friendly backup application powered by BorgBackup, choose Pika Backup. And if you want maximum control and advanced backup management, choose Vorta. The important thing to remember is that no backup tool is perfect for everyone. The best backup software is the one you'll actually use consistently. A backup that runs every week is far more valuable than an advanced backup system that's never configured properly. No matter which of these 4 tools you choose, you'll be giving your Linux Mint 22.3 system an extra layer of protection against accidental deletion, hardware failure, bad updates, or unexpected problems. And that's something every Linux user should have before disaster strikes.